unboxing. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at it. It shows you a tiny sliver and it looks so slim and beautiful, and it makes you want to rip it open so that you can see it on the inside. These people understand human psychology and are very dangerous and should be stopped. Now, it's got plastic on the outside. I really hate it because you're about to rip it open and then you have to go and find a knife and stuff. Not if it's an Apple product. Look at this tab. Look at this beautiful, perfect tab. All I have to do, voila. So easy. Now one step closer. Also, plastic is bad for the environment. So bad. Right. I'm sure they'll figure out how to make this slightly easier to open. Chef, this is not riveting. It's not riveting. Okay, they could make this slightly easier to open. There we go, there we go. Look at that. Perfect. Takes up all the space. I haven't bought an iPad. I only bought one iPad in my life, and that was in 2012. It is so thin. Ooh, it is so thin and so pretty. Look at how beautifully packed it is. Everything fits perfectly. You lift this up, and then underneath is the perfectly placed thingy, and then that. Is there anything underneath? Okay. Apple's packaging has deteriorated in the 8 years since I have bought an Apple item, because that's a lot of space. That's a lot of space that they didn't need. Tisk Apple. So this could have been a lot thinner. Humans. Okay. All right. This little tab. I use it to rip it open like that. And then each side. And then you're going to be the first to see this. I got an engraving. Can you read it? I don't know if you can. So excited. Oh my god. It is so light. I've already smudged it. I'm gonna need to get me a cover real quick. Okay, bye.